Well, hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to animate the heart emoji in Figma. So first, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the text tool which is present in Figma and click on the canvas. Then I'm going to press the Windows and dot on my keyboard. And here you can see a bunch of different heart icons. Here I'm going to select the blue one because blue is my favorite color, and I'm going to zoom in a little. Then I'm going to select this and duplicate it. I'm going to press Alt on my keyboard and duplicate. Let me duplicate a few of the heart icons. Here I am duplicating 4 of them. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack them on top of one another on the main one. The reason why I kept, you can directly duplicate on top of another wherein it will get duplicated on the first one, right? But I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. For that reason I've kept it side by side, right? So I'll just keep everything on top of another. Okay, so this is done, the main one and the fourth. So totally you can see that there are 5 heart icons. Next what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a frame. I'm going to drag and place this inside a frame. It is a vertical frame. You'll see the end result, right? Next I'm going to duplicate this entire frame and keep it aside. After this, I'm going to select this icons and I'll place them in random positions inside the frame. You can place it anywhere you want. So I'm keeping it in this way. You, according to your wish, you can keep it anywhere you want. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select individual hearts and set its opacity to 0. You can press 0 on your keyboard and double click on 0, right? Then the opacity will be 0. And here, as you can see, there are totally 4 heart icons. You can see over there in the sidebar. Next, I'm going to go to the prototype tab. I'm going to select the first frame. Then I'm going to select, as you can see, default is smart animate because these days I have been doing lots of animations, right? So for that reason, here what you have to do is you have to select smart animate, and I have set the time as 1000 milliseconds just to show you how the animation will happen. Basically, it depends upon yours, but it's advised to keep not more than 400 milliseconds, right? Because it must be visible to the human eye, how the animation is also going. So you can see. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the second frame and bring back to the first frame. So the same parameters are going to be applicable for the second frame also. Then I'll go to the present section, and here let it take a while. It'll take some time to load. And here you can see that everything, all the animations which is that. Now you press Z on your keyboard, it will zoom in to full width screen. Then if I click on this one, you can see that animation, right? Let me do that again. See, the animation is happening, right? So this is how you can do the smart animate of heart icons in Figma. Follow for more such content.